Shalom guys, what's up? My name is Stav. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do the get to know me tag today. If you don't know, these are my foster cats that are all around. They're gonna walk around and move the camera. So it will be fun. Let's get to it. I grew up in Shalom. It's a little town next to the airport. It was new when we moved there, so it was just young families. Not many buses are way out of the town without a car. So high school was not fun, but the rest was. I currently live in Tel Aviv, Israel. My best friend name is Shimi. He's been my best friend since high school, I think. I don't know the actual number in inches, but I am 1 meter and 63 centimeters tall. Okay, so this, you probably think by the name of this channel and also by these guys that would say cats, but actually it's dogs. Sorry kitties. 1989, so I'm an 80s girl. I always joke about that because I have no idea I was one. But still, I was born in the 80s, so actually having my last 2 exams next week and the week after that, and then I'm done with college. It's not alcohol. It's Coke. I love Coke. It's so bad, I know. I really need to stop, but I do. And if it's alcoholic drink, it'll be margarita. Now I'm using 212. I go back to Clinic Happy and Miracle, and I switch those 3 usually. Actually, neither. I used to drink a lot of coffee before I became vegan, and now I don't like any of the milks because they're all are even a tiny bit sweetened, and I don't like that at all, so I don't drink any coffee. One of my major goals is start a family. I do want kids. We were working on that a little bit. I will update you once there are some cool stuff to update, but we are working on that. My other life goal is to be a cat rescuer that is able to help the most severe cases. I will go back into that in a different video because we've been through some crazy cases, and I think it's super interesting, and you can learn a lot from them, and I've learned a lot from them. And my other goal is to be a developer. The 2 sports I really loved growing up was gymnastics and horseback riding. I'm no longer doing horseback riding because I'm vegan. And gymnastics I would love to go do. There's no options for adults here in Israel, but when I was in the States, I did go back to gymnastics, and I loved it, and I broke 2 toes, and then I had to stop, and oh, the battery is about to die. Loved, I think it's called The Final Lecture. About a guy with cancer that is celebrating the rest of what he has left, and I loved it. It was very eye-opening. And look at this guy. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? And these 2 are also here. Yeah. I'm joking. It's called Blindside. It's the one with Sandra Bullock, that she adopts this teenager that is a football player or something like that. I think that's the one. Now I'm watching a lot of lesbian channels and families that adopted kids. So, Crazy Pieces, Crazy Middles are the two big families with adopted kids, and also Two in a Zoo. So I love following that. And Rosie, Holly and Paige, Chrissy and Bria. I speak fluent Hebrew because I'm from Israel. I know some Arabic from school. I understand Spanish from watching too much TV, and I think that's about it. I am taken. I'm with my girlfriend for almost 7 years now. Super comfortable would be ideal. Anywhere, could be anywhere. I guess a nice Italian restaurant would be nice. Almost 7 years now. Casual, usually I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt. You're seeing it. It's washing my hair, letting it air dry, and that's it. They're fighting. Three siblings. One full biological brother who is 33, and then there's me that I'm 30, and then I have two half siblings. My sister is 19 and my brother is 17. Fries. I'm using PC. It was Santorini almost 3 years ago with my girlfriend. It was amazing. It was awesome. Well, it's dealing with these guys. I need to clean after them, make sure we have a few special needs ones, and I need to help them go to the bathroom, and I need to just make sure they have food and water. So that's my morning and evening routine.